good children, good kids. And therefore, hindi importante na ginahigugma mo siya, kundi mas ginahigugma mo siya karon. There is nothing similar to father and son. Michael said that his wife is the most beautiful. Well, I believe. But what is intriguing is that pag-iyan ko man na sa conferencing ka, ako man ang silin mo to sa mga babae ito. Sabi niya, all of you are so beautiful. You are all as beautiful as my wife. Kami ang ulan, no? Kumangyapon. God, I said, Father and Son, kaya wala nang makuha nito ni Viviani kung hindi man kulero ni. You know, what prompted me to attend your occasion is not the invitation. My long-standing friendship with Tony, ang respeto ko kay Tony, and then later on, ang respeto ko kay Vivian, kay Tony, kay Michael, kay Ivan, nila nakauturan, ako ang nagtulog sa ako, at kinanglan kay di ko ipagpaslawon ang invitasyon. Especially that this afternoon I was with his, Michael's most beautiful cousin. Liubit, pati ka si Michael ako yawin. Ladies and gentlemen, para ninyo madamo ang leksyon ini atong napagpulong. Tony and Michael might say, I am trying to spy on them because repeatedly I asked Tony, I also asked Michael, na pinagkabinaw inigual siya. My purpose in asking you that question was never to spy on you like James Bond. I would rather be Fred Castro than James Bond. Kaya kung ako yan si James Bond, I would never have this circle of good people, circle that are well-defined people, circle of people that you will miss if they are separated from you. Nonetheless,
okay, everybody smile. Stay cheap. Thank you very much. We also would like to request the day of April 2024 at Lionheart Security Agency Office at Barangay Cagay, Rojas City. Signed, Michael Anthony Evercades, General Manager of Lionheart Security Agency. Signed, Mary Jeanette Evercades, President, Lionheart Security Agency Incorporated.